Hello, and welcome to WeVideo Part 1, The Basics. In this video, you will learn about the basics of using the website WeVideo to create video projects and to use it for screencasting purposes. Now, when using WeVideo, there are several tabs that are going to be very important for you to know about. Some of them will show you your finished projects, such as the folder tab I have highlighted now. This will show your finished projects in any media that you've uploaded, whereas the Star tab will show you media that's already been uploaded by the website. Not only does it have short videos and clips, but it also has some audio that's been uploaded as well. By clicking on the tab that says Text, you'll have your choice options of how you want to start your video or how you want it to open. One of the ways you can do that is by using text, or you can open it with a little bit more of an interesting flair. You can also do something what's called callouts. When you click on the tab called callouts, you'll be able to actually highlight or pinpoint points of interest within your video. The next tab over is the sound or the audio tab. This is where you can either see audio that's already been preloaded to the website, such as the free music tab, or you can highlight some sound effects. If you click on the Premiere Music tab, you'll be able to find some more musical selections. This option is only available though for those that have the Premiere version of the website. On the next tab, marked Transitions, you'll find multiple ways of being able to add transitions to your videos to make for a very smooth look. There are some very easy and simple ones, and there's some more creative ones towards the bottom. On the very last tab is the Graphics tab. This allows you to add backgrounds, which you can see are some pretty interesting ones. It'll also allow for you to add some solid colors, some overlays. The overlays are very fun if you want to spruce up your video or get a little bit more creative. And then lastly, frames. This is exactly as it sounds, like a picture frame framing your video. Underneath the tabs, you might notice three symbols. One's a green cloud, one is a red dot, and the other's a microphone. By clicking on the green cloud, you'll be able to upload your own videos that you've already might have made. By clicking on the red dot, you'll be able to screencast or actually record videos right to WeVideo. And if you click on the microphone, this is your sound recorder. This will allow you to add voiceovers to any of the videos that you've made. Now I'm going to show you how to start projects by adding audio and video, at least the basics. The first thing you want to do is usually start with a very simple text option. All you have to do is select which text option you want to use and then drag it to the video bar. You'll see it turn green around the edges. That means that you can drop it there. Double-clicking on the text box will allow you to actually type in what you want it to say. I've already done this with my text box, and I've created the WeVideo Part 1 Basics, which is the opening to our video. By clicking on the edges of your video, you'll be able to extend the time or shorten the time depending on how long you want it to run. After I've selected my opening, I like to select the right type of music. That's actually just the way I work. You might choose to actually add your video and then choose your music after you're finished. But I like to actually listen to the music as I'm editing the video together. That way I can get the right feel and vibe. If you look over to the left-hand side, you'll be able to see a little plus button. This will let you add new tracks, such as video or audio tracks. You can also rename it here in this section. But you can also rename your tracks by clicking on the name of the track and renaming it to whatever you want. You actually add new tracks so that way you can keep track of your different videos and your different audios. That way you don't get your music audio mixed up with your voiceover audio, or maybe your text boxes mixed up with your actual videos. I went ahead and labeled mine Screencast, Music, and Voiceover. That way it just helps me keep track of those tracks. Now we need to add the video. All you have to do is select the video that you've already uploaded from a screencast or from your webcam or media that's already been loaded to the website and drag it to wherever your video bar is. Once you have the video in place, you might want to edit or trim it. That way the video runs the length you might need. All you have to do is move the blue bar over the top of where you would like and then click the scissor button on the blue bar. Afterwards, you want to snap the video into place and you might consider moving the beginning slide in front so that way you can add a decent transition. Well, I'll hit the tab Transitions and then I'll select the transition that I think is most appropriate between the slide and my video. I can extend the time of the transition by double-clicking on it. 1 second's a little too short, so I'm going to go ahead and move it to 5. That way, it drags the transition out and it just looks a little bit smoother. Hopefully you were able to take away something today from the WeVideo Part 1, The Basics. Play around with some more of the options and see what you can create. Thank you once again, and have a great day.